the CEO of Musicology, and today I have Mim Adams, who is an author of The Full Voice, which is a vocal method workbook, and she's going to be demonstrating some vocal techniques over Musicology that normally has some issues over other platforms. So we're going to show you how it works here.
Hey everybody! Okay, so I have here my little full voice book that I use with my students, and I'm going to look at this exercise here, which uses dynamics. And so basically, yeah, like I'm so used to sounds cutting out when certain sounds happen, like louds and softs and then high notes. So I'm going to try a few things and let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to sing this first little triad exercise here. Let's do the low version. So here I go. I hope you could hear some dynamics.
I could hear
there.
all those dynamics.
Nice. Okay, I'm going to take it up into some high range. There we go.
Yeah.
Still no cutting out?
Nope.
All right. How about this lip trill, which is a common singing exercise? Sing it up here.
That was fun. Yeah, I heard it all.
All right, let me try this other one. It's got some staccato sounds in it, so we'll see. We'll see if we can trick the machine. All right, here we go. Anything?
Perfect. No, it was great.
Let's give it a good high voice.
It was great. Oh, that was so fun. Thank you so much for doing that.